Are you looking for that perfect turnkey house at an affordable price? Then welcome home. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Northglenn has all the right upgrades, complete with all the bells and whistles too. With new paint and carpet throughout, stunning new light fixtures, a new sliding glass door, a new hot water heater, a new AC unit, a new sprinkler system with brand new hardware throughout, all that is missing from this dream home is you. This home has been well taken care of, and it shows. Do not wait. Call today for a private showing with Nicole Wolf.